Hey, I just have a quick message to give you. I keep getting asked, where do I get the decorating discs and where do I get the shrink rule in both videos? So I haven't got the links for this. This is called Creative Industries. Creative Industries. And the discs are called MKM MKM Pottery Tools.com. I got them both at my local pottery store. You probably can as well. If you can't, I found some cheaper ones on Amazon, in case you can't find these. I'll put the links below. They are affiliate links. They are cheaper than these. But if you do buy them, I will make a small commission on them, but at no extra cost to you. It'll cost you exactly the amount it'll cost anyone else to purchase. I just thought I'll put it out there because people keep asking me, and I'll put the links below, and if you want to buy, yes. If you don't, no. Either way, I'm happy to share. This is Creative Industries and MKM Decorating Discs, or cheaper on Amazon. Thanks for the support. Cheers.